Data classes in Kotlin is the same as we have normal classes in Kotlin. But what the major difference is that we get some predefined member functions. Like we get a component function, copy function, equal, hash code, toString, which we do not get into our normal classes. And here is my demo program. And here I have a data class named as a student, which has a primary constructor of a name of type string, and it also has an age of a mutable type, and currently its value is null. And here I'm creating instance of this student class. So I have a two object, test1 and test2. So my these two objects are same. So if I compare these two instances, then it should return me true. But here I've also given the age to 20, and to the second object I have given age to the 22. So eventually my both these objects are different because its age is different. So this should return me false because of this age. So let's run and see whether we get is both objects are same or not. So as you can see over here, is both objects are same, and the answer is true. But my both objects are not same. The first object has an age of 20 and the second object has an age of 22. So why this happened? So let's see what causes this behavior. So I will double shift and search for the bytecode, Kotlin bytecode, and I will click on decompile. So this generates a Java file because I want to see the internal implementation of a toString method or the equal to method. And here you will see the name of all the member functions that get generated with the data classes that you won't get with normal classes. So we have a hash code, toString equals copy, and a component method. I want to search for a toString method. So here is the implementation of a toString. So if you see over here, it returns me name and this dot name. So it is accessing only name property. It doesn't have access to my age property. So it is not comparing my age. So behind the scene, what happens is compiler generates all the member functions of a data classes of only the primary constructor properties, not other properties that included in this curly braces. That is the body of the classes. So this is the reason what causes this behavior. We might thought that two objects are different as its age is different, but actually it returns us the true because behind the scene the compiler generates only the member functions of a primary constructor parameters. It doesn't create the member function for other properties. So this was just only for the toString. If you check for the equals function, then you can also see this. It compares only the name of variable 1 and the name of the variable 2. It doesn't compare for the age parameter. We can update our data classes to see the age property. Yes. So I'm creating a age in the primary constructor and I'm removing it from here. This is no longer needed. And now I want to pass here 20, here 22. So now this both objects are different and we can see the age property inside our Java class. They generated the compile. So let's run. The answer is false, and if I change it to 20, and now it checks for both the parameters in the primary constructor. That is, it checks for name and age. If both these values are same, then only its instance and the object are same. Now let's generate our Java file for this class. So let's go to the toString method. So this toString, we also have a age parameter. Let's check for the equal, and in equal you can see that it also checks for the name of variable 1, variable 2, and also checks for the age, and between both this we have an AND operator. So if both is true, then only we can get true here. If you like this video, make sure to watch our other videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel.